Hey, it's Aaron with Square Thunder. This is episode number 5 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is KVASS, KVASS. It's the name of a dark, sour beer made in Russia. There's already an existing brand of beer called KVASS, so I don't want to infringe on their design decisions and their visual identity. So we're going to change things up a little bit, deviate from the spelling of the word, and we're going to call it KVAZ, or for our American friends, KVAZ. I don't care what you call the last letter of the alphabet. We're going to call our beer KVAZ. It's going to taste awesome. More importantly, it's going to have an awesome logo. I kind of want to incorporate some traditional Russian design elements. So we'll look at a color scheme, probably with some gold and red. We may explore things like stars and eagles and bears and shields and those kinds of shapes. And I definitely want to incorporate some of the shapes of some Cyrillic letter forms in this. So I've got a couple of neat ideas. We'll see where they go. We're going to start off, as usual, with a pencil and paper. We'll sketch out some rough ideas. And whatever starts percolating to the top and starts feeling like the direction I want this to take, we'll bring that into Illustrator and we'll work that out into a kind of a more finalized design. At the end of the process, we're going to look at the design on a mock-up so we can just get a sense of what this thing will look like in its real-world context. I think it's really important when we design a logo and a brand to put it into some context so that we can see it in the way that it would interact with other things around it in its natural environment, so to speak. So let's hop in and start sketching out some ideas and see where we go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the video, commenting down below. You know, if you have a suggestion for a random weird word that we might use on a future episode of Fast Logo Friday, type it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you've got other feedback for the video or some of the design decisions that I've made along the way, I'd love to interact with you in the comments down below. Make sure you type a comment. I will reply, and we can chat there. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. This is Fast Logo Friday. We'll see you next week. Stay awesome.